What up, guys? We will get started in 7 minutes. All right, so get the questions in, tickers, all that kind of stuff. I will speak in 7 minutes. Okay, I'll be on mute for now, just in the Discord chatting, and I will be with you guys in a bit. All right, see you in a minute. Hello to all those joined. We will start in 5 minutes. All right, so get the questions in and all that, and I'll be with you guys in exactly 5 minutes. All right. Right, let's start. We'll start a few minutes early here. Right. We'll get started in a minute, guys. Just replying to a message quickly. Right, any questions, guys? Let's get them in. Questions, tickers, all the fun stuff that everybody wants to know. Also, like up the stream. It's free. It is free to do so. Free. Guys, if you chase Zeke, JK, I don't know. You might as well go throw your money in the trash. Right, let's see what the chat is saying. CTNT score, GRR. GRRR. Let's have a look. GRRR filled the gap on the 4 hour. Or was that a daily? It was a daily. Chart is a bit weird right now. Let me have a look. Yes, it filled the gap. So these are your next levels. I'll give you your next levels on. This is very bullish at the moment on GRR. I don't know why this is running or what the news has been for it to run like this, but these are your key daily levels, which is very, very significant, especially when there's something running like this. Key daily levels. All right, these are your key daily levels. Left thousands of dollars on the CTNT. CHRS. CHRS broke above. Once it broke above, you all know what you need to do. That was your entry point, and it ran 14%. So who asked for that one? Michael, please tell me you got in that one, brother. I hope to God that you got in the trade, brother. Really hope that you got in, because it was easy. You had 25 years to get in that one as well. CHRS. Did I chart this for you on Twitter? No. So now you know what to do. Michael, if you're in the Discord, you know what to do for your next entry. You do? Lovely. Right. Yes. Another day, another dollar. Yes, sir. I was looking at CTNT and SNTI on Discord. Yeah, we've traded their former runners. SNTI especially, I remember. CTNT as well. PBM. Right, PBM up 3%, no volume. For me, at the moment, what do I see? I see a downtrend, right? We can see the downtrend like this. Where am I going to enter? Where is the highest probability? This is a clean range here. If we break above $4.50, we have, look left after that. We have clean range to the upside. Entering here, you have this in the way. Entering here, you have this in the way. Then there, all this. Above here, clean range up. So this is PBM. Wait for close above 450 to enter. So this yellow line that I draw is exactly the same thing as the purple line. It's exactly the same thing. I've just done it here because when we have a level like this, I just show you on the purple. PBM, PSQH. This one ran earlier, didn't it? PSQH, I'd wait for 484 break to enter. That's what I would look for entries. PS looks very volatile though. Wait for 484 break above to enter. All right. Breaks above. Good in. Mara is going to follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down at the moment. I'm assuming Mara is down as well. Yes, it is. Right. The Mara's big level now is 2760. We can put it like this so you can see very clearly. There you go. Right. Break above 2760. You have clean range to the upside. It's going to follow what Bitcoin does. Wait for 2760. These plays, Hut, Mara, CLSK, all of those Bitcoin plays are just long term. You do not day trade these. You buy it and you leave it in your account for at least 2-3 months. You're trading, basically trading Bitcoin. That's what you're doing, crypto. All right. If you want to day trade crypto, go and trade crypto. Don't try and day trade these. It's not worth it, in my opinion. It is not worth it. Do you think? Okay. Here we have Mr. MS. Mr. MS. Are you listening, my brother? Mr. MS, brother, I'm going to give you a little bit of a secret here, brother. Are you ready for it? You have asked if I think that CTNT will hit $50 today. What price is it now? $6.80. Let's start here. Now let's move it all the way to $50. Okay, now let's think about this. Really very simply here now, Mr. MS. What are the chances here? Actually, we're at where now? We are here. Right, we're coming down, right? I don't know what's going on with this play. Let's say we're at $3, right? Or let's say for your sake, we're at $5. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this play. But you are asking me if this will hit $50 today. Right now, it is at, let's say, $5. Okay, you are asking if it's going to hit 50. That is a 886% move to the upside. Now think about this before even take your trading cap off and just think logically about this one. All right. If someone told you, okay, buy a stock at $6 and it's going to $50 today. What are the odds of that happening? What are the odds of something running 800% in one day? Right. I've been doing this for 4 years and I trade these stocks over and over again, trying to predict an 800% move in one day. Right. One day. Not worth it, brother. Take your money out of your account. Go and do something else with it if you're going to expect 800% moves. However, I hope it does run 800% so you can be a multi-zillionaire. Because if you put $1 million in that thing and it runs 800%, you can do the maths and find out how much profit you'll make. I'm just telling you this. Realistically, there is probably a 0.0001% chance that this will get to 800% move today. All right, I hope that answers your question, brother. SOAR. I don't know why everyone's asking about this one. I know it's in the top gainers. We have this here. Personally, I would just wait for 0.5. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. All right. 0.5 is your big resistance level here. We have a psychological level here. Yes, this is a level here. I've used this 0.5 because we've rejected it once, twice, and now 3 times. Close above this, you have room to 0.6. All right, I see everybody's questions. Everybody like up the stream now, please do it. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything to do so. It cost you $0. The chat is frozen. I cannot see the chat, unfortunately. I don't know what on earth is going on here. This is not good. The chat is not working. Hold up. Give me a sec. I don't know what's going on with this chat. BRB. YouTube. I cannot see anybody's chat for some reason. The last person I see is Technologist. And then it goes, oh wait, we could be on something. I cannot see everyone's messages. That's kind of annoying. The last person I see is Matt Lopez. And the most recent, the oldest one I see is Technologist. I don't know what's going on. Why did it go down? Go away. Okay, well, anyway, you're going to have to repost your questions again. All right. So sorry, I'm from Shim here. So all I can see is here. Shim. What do we see at Shim? Shim looks like it's moving up. If you are in the Discord, you know what you need to do with this one. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Yeah, easy as 1, 2, 3. If you want to wait for your entries, the safest entries, you can wait for 512 break, and then you have room to 585. All right. So this is what you have. Holding a nice support level here. You're in this demand zone. Yeah, it looks all right. I just wouldn't buy now, personally, but if it breaks, yeah. Needs 512 break. Oh, wait, the chat's working again. I think it's working again. No, it's not. That's annoying. Anyway. Yeah, the last person I see is NQ now. KFLY. So everyone who posted a question in that, please post it again. KFLY, I don't have that one unfortunately. DXYZ. DXYZ. You need $47.48 to look for possible entries. At the moment, you are in a downtrend. I personally wouldn't enter when the stock's in a downtrend. So yeah, I would wait. Saw. I went over Saw. Saw's right here. Break above 0.5, you can look for your entries. Other than that, I wouldn't. Oh, KDLY. Got it. Got it. KDLY, 21%. Yeah, just at the moment, it's a bit difficult. I don't really like these top wicks on it. On the 1 hour, what are we looking like? Yeah, maybe on the 1 hour, you could use this resistance here, 155. Close above 155. That's your entry point, in my opinion. The reason is rejection once, twice, and then 3 times here. So you close above 155, you know you have a lot more confidence and that the probability of this going up is a lot higher. So KDLY, wait for 155, break to enter. All right, so yeah, guys, I can't see everyone's questions. So if you've posted earlier on in the stream, please can you post again? Mr. Emos has just asked Robert if he has a genie. I can't believe that. Those questions are funny. 0. CTNT, put that 60% wick. It's off the list now, isn't it? CTNT. I don't know. I think it might be I think, no, this is just Weeble. I think these are Weeble candles, to be honest with you. I don't think this is proper on TradingView. It's not like this, I don't think. Let's like up the stream, guys. Let's get it. NLSP. NLSP, we have 22%. Actually, this is my watch list since it's up 22% at the moment. I'm just going to mark the high because I know that if it breaks here, I probably will look for entries somewhere around here. So yeah, we'll see. We have NLSP. Yeah, 524 on NLSP. Former run as well. NLSP, wait for 524, break above to enter. As easy as that. Shim round 3 sign for me, 390. Shim's coming down a bit. Morning Tiger. Pirzo, yeah, I don't know, it's not my watch list. I saw it move up and then came down. Pirzo, at the moment you have a larger time frame. This is 1 hour, I think. Yeah, this level here, you have a lot of rejection, 192. Wait for closure above 192 to enter. All right, on Pirzo. BRZO, you are awesome. You are awesome. CTOR, 84%. For me, I mean, you can maybe take entries here if you wanted to. Breaks this high here, 137. Yeah, you could try and take. You're in a demand zone here. Possibly a double bottom, bullish reversal pattern. Yeah, it could be worth entries if you want. I won't be taking it, obviously. So you just have it's in the demand zone, so it looks alright. Looks alright. CTOR in demand zone. In demand zone. Yeah, keep this on watch. I would say if it breaks 137, you could look for possible entries. Well, I wouldn't enter now. I'd wait for that 137 break. VCIG, you are very, very bearish, my friend. VCIG, we have a strong downtrend like this, right? So we know that we do not want to enter stock that is in a bearish trend because there's a higher probability it will go down. Bearish. We know that if it breaks the downtrend here, there's a high probability to go up. Or you could take a riskier entry on VCIG above resistance here, 337 to 337 to 370. Touche, Mr. Tucker. DJT, we're still talking about Mr. DJT. How's that one looking? DJT is nothing at the moment. DJT, you have your major resistance right here, so we'll use this 3278. Let's just do 3275. Psychological level a lot clearer, so I use the purple line. I like to use the 4 hour for my key levels. So we have this one here, breaks above this. Then let's look left on the chart. What is the next resistance level that we have? We have around here, right? So if it breaks above 3275, you have room to 3535. Simple as that. DJT needs 3275 break above. Right, let's like up the stream, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Can't believe I lost all those chat. I don't know why. Hey, we saw the CTNT nights instead of regular one. I think it fights 7 resistance now. CTNT, I don't know. SOAR, been over SOAR, but if those who just joined, I told you, and this is the last time I'll tell you, you need a close above 0.5 for entries. If you want to enter now, you can go ahead. Lunar levels, Lunar's here. It's pushing to that wick fill here. Breaks above $15 would be worth entries, and then you have a lot of room to the upside. 17.14 next. Hey there, first time here. What up, Miguel, brother? What up, what up, what up? ENSC. ENSC, this is a former runner. Okay, we are building a resistance around here, like this level. I would say 0.6. Yeah, this is perfect. So if it breaks above 0.6, look left, you have a clean range pretty much to around here. 0.71, I'd say. 0.71. Yes, I would say this is your next resistance level. So close above 0.6 is where I would look for an entry. I would not buy now because you are below a resistance. You want to close above resistance to confirm the trend. To be bullish. Needs 0.6 break for entries. Alright, doesn't break above, you do not enter. Hi, how'd you build your watch list? I use this website, it's called Webull, and then I just go on the top gainers and add them. This is the link there. I use pre-market and I just add them every 20-30 minutes. When market opens, I have about all of these here, maybe like 20-30 into open. Market opens, out of the 30, maybe only 5 hold, and I trade like that. I don't use a screener, scanner, none of that stuff. These all have news, they all have the volume for me to do, so it saves me all the time in the world. I don't care about the news, I don't care about the CEO, I don't care what the news is or who said what about the stock. I trade based on what the stock looks like on the charts, based on technical analysis. CT, NT, still going to run. Guys, CT, NT, I don't know what will happen. I can tell you that if it closes above 872, you have a range to $10.50. I would not buy now because you are in a downtrend. If you buy in a downtrend, there is a high probability it will continue to go down. If you want to take an entry, you are more than welcome to. Make sure to use a stop loss. My bad, I forgot 8. No worries, bro. These are more than AA cams. These are like just crazy wicks. I don't know. ZGK. You mean ZJK. I will correct it for you. ZJK. This is what you call, right? This is the definition of a pump. And then a dump. All right? If people bought up here, I hope you learned your lesson. I have no hard feelings for anyone. But if you bought up here, you are going to learn the hard way in trading. And I bet you if you bought up here around the $40 sign, you are now down 50% and you are now going to the bank, Chase Bank or wherever you bank, and you're going to take out a loan and say, no, it has to go up, and you're going to buy more and more and more, and it's going to keep going down and down and down. And then you don't know what to do and you're stuck. When you knew, and you know, if you don't know, now you know to use a stop loss. It's easy to use a stop loss. All you have to do is go to limit, go to sell on your stock, go to the stop loss and use it. It's there for a reason. If you want to trade these stocks without a stop loss, you should take your money out and just throw it in the bin. All right. So ZJK is a load of trash. What goes up that fast must come down even faster. RGTI, I have to kind of fix this chart up a bit because I used it without extended hours due to it being a lot easier of a chart to draw. So we have here RGTI, we're in a demand zone right now. Maybe if it holds this level, like 290, maybe above $3 would be good entries. Close above $3 into open, could look for entries on that. We have a demand zone. We're in the demand zone. So yeah, wait for $3 personally. RGTI holding demand zone. Holding demand zone. BZFD. BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed, I don't see anything yet on it. Daily, yeah. Overall chart is very bullish. Is this all-time highs? No, it's not. Weekly, you have a lot of room to the upside. Overall, this trend is very bullish. Would I buy now? I would like it to break above this or hold above this 450. So yeah, it looks all right. It looks all right. It looks all right. It looks all right. Shim, nothing. It's factual. Can you help advertise SoFi 5-minute chart? Let's have a look. SoFi 5-minute chart. You have SoFi. You have. This is the demand zone. I would use this demand zone on the 5-minute, like here. So whatever this is, this price is these two levels. 1570, 1576. Fossil. FOSL. FOSL, if you are looking to enter this trade, I would wait for $2.56 to enter the trade. Right now, I would not enter it. Wait for 256 break to enter. All right, the market, screenshot it, put it on your wallpaper, whatever you need to do. Nice, thanks. Can you teach your break marks and resistance, how you do, where to put it them really quickly? I have that all in the Discord, but I just mark the high of the candle. Mark the high of the candle. That's how I mark my resistance. And support is just the bottom of the candle. We all know you touch your keyboard on the version, walk through the figures, you do them. Thank you. No problem, no problem. JYD looking good. JYD. Yeah, JYD did not close above. XRP. I can't, unfortunately, I can't do XRP. I don't have it on Webull. Hey, joined the Discord last week learning using Webull paper trading. I'm confident enough to get involved properly. That's good, Jordan. I like to hear that. So, you know the new strategy that I've put up for you guys with the candles and that? Start using that. And I would say if you're going to paper trade, people say, oh, paper trade is not good. For me, I think it's fantastic if you're going to stick to a strategy. So if you want to do something very simple, if you're trying to back test a strategy or anything, I would say use maximum 5 trades a day. So you can use $1 billion if you want on the paper account, or 1 million, as long as you're following the risk management plan that we have in the Discord, right? So you know the account size that you need, or I mean the trade size that you need per trade. Follow that, have a max 5 trades, I would say, for the day. If you lose 3 or 2 or 3 in a row, stop trading and just aim for your normal targets, 3 to 5%, stop loss 5%. That's what you could do. But yeah, I would just, if you're going to paper trade, just keep it consistent. Don't try and enter the trade to try and make as much money as you can. Enter the trade for the reason that the strategy shows. Have your stop loss, have your target. If it's red, green, take the loss like a man. If it goes up to your target, take your profits. That's what I would tell you. But if you're going to paper trade, make sure to do it correctly. That's all. GRR looks great. I said weekly chart has $9.80 and $13, which is a lot of room to the upside. DJT, I've just gone over DJT already. Nothing on DJT for me. Nothing. Needs 32.75. IDAI is bearish. I would leave this alone. I would not touch it. HOVR. HOVR, we are down 12%. We are currently down 12% on HOVR. Are you going to buy something that's down 12%? Nope, because it means it's bearish. Downtrend. Right, you need to break above the downtrend to look for your entry on that trade. I don't know what is going on and why people are asking about DJT and FUN, but at the moment, I don't see anything on these charts. Nothing. There is nothing on these charts. Maybe it will pop in 2 seconds, 3 seconds. I don't know when it will run. I can tell you now that there is no reason to enter this. I don't know what's happening here. There's just big range going on here. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. SOAR is up. Let's see. Yeah. So Discord members took that trade. Well done if you did. Fantastic, because that means you're learning and understanding what needs to be done and how to become a successful trader. Yeah, this XTIA is a load of trash. It's 5 cents. If you want to trade something that's 5 cents, go ahead, but needs 0.0529 big. This is 5 cents. Yeah, so if this is 5 cents, you do not want to be touching something that is 5 cents. ENLV, you have ENLV is running. Is this over $1? Yes, it is. I'll add this to my watch list. ENLV now, just wait and leave it. I'll just wait and see what this does at open. I'm not really interested in it at the moment. So what I will do is I'll mark $1 like this. So I have $1 here marked, put it in blue, go to the 4 hour, which I have here. And I'll just mark the resistance levels that we have. So we have 177, which it's hit, and then we have next level is right over here. So like $2. All right, so these are your levels. But at the moment, yeah, I wouldn't be entering something like this that's just moved in less than 5 minutes, 22%. Probably asking because they're running for Kraken. What do I see on Kraken? I see that Kraken is extremely bearish. I would not touch this with a 10-inch pole. Leave it alone. This is the most bearish stock everyone has charted or given me today. Leave it alone. All right? Do not touch this thing at all. Extremely bearish. That means down. No good. Red is danger. JYD is running. Yes, JYD is running. That close above on the 5 minute would have been a nice entry if anyone did take it. Yeah, I just have on my watch list here. We'll see. Let me actually just mark $1 here. I won't be trading this today. Probably not. Probably not. Let me just put this $1 psych level like that. Is this thing halted? What's going on here? Seems a bit strange. Sorry, SOUN. SOUN, we are coming down. Look for the downtrend. I mean, look for this trend to buy it. Right, you want to buy on the trend. 1, 2, 3. Maybe it'll come down to around here for entries. Maybe here, wherever it does. Good look for entries. That is what I personally would do in that situation. Let's see what this is doing. Very, very nice on this one. Discord members, nice. Oh, nice. People are in. Nice. This was a perfect play on that. NLSP trash off the watch list. Do you do live trade on here? Market opens. I don't. I do live trading in the Discord. As soon as market opens, I do exactly this and I explain how you can enter trades, where the alerts are, your stop loss, target, all those things. And then Hassi does another hour after me. So you have 2 hours of live trading, which is cool. I do that in the Discord. This is the Discord link here. This is the only link that we have. We don't have any Telegram, WhatsApp, none of that stuff. Only the Discord. You click on that WAP. You choose the 1 month or 3 month tier, and then you have access. We have the seminars, that how we trade, how we give the alerts, all those things. Walked you through that. All there as well. So you can go and watch that if you want to learn the strategies, but there's also alerts if you want to. I'm not really fond of alerts, to be honest with you, but they are there if you want to take them. SoFi is, yes, it is. We'll see though. This is such a large float. Like this just moved like not even 1%. CHRS, what do we think? I think we might get the infamous yellow line like this. So I think that if we can hold this level here at 192, now since this is purple, we're putting this orange because it's now support, not resistance, right? So this is my prediction on CHRS. Prediction. GNS. What do I think about GNS? I think that GNS is nothing unless 0.93. GNS, wait for 0.93, break above. IEP, a new ticker, IEP. IEP, I don't see anything on it. I will tell you that you have a resistance around here at 1140. I would wait for 1140 break to take entries. I wouldn't be buying here personally, but if that's 52-week low and people trade that style, then sure, you can enter, but not for me, nothing for me. ENLV, it's okay. Watching this CHL. Right, we'll see what this does do. PSHQ, or QH, sorry. 484 is your entry point. MVST, I just had this on a larger time frame to watch it, see how it does do today. I'm trying to just check out some plays here. Okay, these are off my watch list now. Just trying to organize some of these plays here because I think these are important to watch. And then what else is there? Okay, let's go through them. ENLV, nothing. You can mark this as your resistance right here at 153, break above 153, then you can look for your entry. Do not try and enter now since it's coming down. If it comes down, then just let it keep going down. CHRS looks all right, pretty much pushing up to the upside. ESQH, wait for 484, shim, nothing. CTOR, nothing. CTNT is pushing up. This looks great into open. Personally, I would look for entries on this one. Looking good into open. JYD. Pulling back. I don't really like this as much. The volume's kind of weird on this, to be honest. Like it went straight up, came down. I'd wait for close above $1. The JYD, the candle didn't break the low, but break the high. Yeah, but something like this is, I don't know, there's not enough volume. It's not in the top gainers. I don't really like something that's just randomly moved 13%, and then this candle wick is literally 13%. So when there's huge candle range like this, I just wouldn't enter. I don't really like something like that. It's not really my kind of setup, to be honest. What else do we have? We have SAW, nothing on this. Yeah, SAW 0.5 is still your entry point. QNRX 15%. I'm just going to remove this. GNS, I'm just going to remove it. TGL off my watch list. And that's about it. All right. Okay, I'm going to go through the watch list and then I'm done. So we have 153 is your entry point on ENLV. I'm predicting that this will go up. It needs to hold $2 into open. PSQH looks fantastic. This might be worth entries here if you want to take something before open. And then we have shim. I think shim wasn't doing anything yet. Yeah, shim, nothing on shim. I would wait for $5.12 to take the trade. Anything below is nothing. CTOR, nothing for me on this. I don't like something low volume, but if it holds this into open, I expect it to run up. CTNT is pushing up, looks decent. JYD, yeah, too much wicks. I don't know what's happening in this. And then SAW, yeah, everyone's watching this. 0.5 is your entry point on that. All right. Okay, guys, like up the stream before you leave. It'd be greatly appreciated. This is the last time here. This is the last link here for Discord. For those who just joined, Discord members that just joined, please make sure to go onto your Discord DM. I've sent you a DM to watch the intro video. Once you've done that, you'll understand everything in the Discord. All right. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.